That's more like it. People come. Let's just coast and flow. Hey, take your time up in there, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's an artwork. It's an art form. Making love is a form of art. Some of you boys don't know nothing about that, though. I can tell. I can tell by how much your queen spend time watching me. You ain't doing something right. He ain't doing something right here. Too busy hating. You usually dating. You're too busy player hating, man. You need to be innovating, you know what I'm saying? Coordinating. Put the smoky quartz with the blue. Coordinate. Put the brown gold. Put the brown. Put the platinum with the 18 carats. I put about 14 carats on the microphone because it's so long. Work it, baby, work it, baby. And we jamming up in here. This is True and Way TV. Watching you live all day for this W420 Radio. We in Resurrection to Queens, guys. We in Resurrection to Queens. You already know what to do. You know what I mean? Tune in to WARC at W420. Check us out, 97.4 FM. Check us out, 104.5. Check it out. We're taking over the radios now. Shouts out, what's it there? We see you out there. Shouts out. We see you out there. 95, 97, we see you out there. And them frauds trying to get my dollars. Get that right. We're gonna get up out of here on that note. I'm showing nothing but love to Buddha and the rest of the world. We put the Christianity down with it. Like Buddha, I carry the cross. Ain't nothing but love, man. You know I'm going to, baby.